I'm here to say that I'm not that kind of people. Like the what they always did is the always is the always the same the deeds of others. Like they did the same thing. Like they, they say like they love you and they always say they want to moving forward like to become your what? No, I'm not just like a boy. What you thinking of? No, just want to remind you. Just please stop thinking about I want to moving forward to become your only I want is to become your slave no matter what happened. That's a promise. When I first saw you in that wedding that you participate with the flower girl, I what I what I've been truly say the time I said kahit man lang maalagaan kita, hindi ko sinabi na maging akin ka noon. Bata pa ako. Kahit ko pa noon. Bata pa ako noon. Yun lang talaga ang sinabi ko. Wala akong ibang sinabi sa buhay. Wala akong ibang pinanga. Gusto ko lang maging alipin mo at ikaw ang prinsesa na gusto kong pagsilbihan. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na gusto kong I want to love you in a distant, like a distance way. Like I want to love in the other way, like in the with the Lord, in the way of the Lord. Did you? Did you get that point? I feel so bad, like ignored. Really? I'm already choosing that ignored. I've chosen to be ignored because I tell myself I want to become an alien. No, I'm not human. I choose to be an alien. Like I really don't want to hurt feelings. I dream. I dream. What I dream about? I'm dreaming about to become a perfect. I want to give you a perfect love. Oh, then how? How you can give a perfect love? Oh, huh. People, human, are not perfect. Truly. That's why I love you in the way of the Lord. So just listen to me. Just listen very carefully. That you want me to be angered. You want when I became angered. When I chose that, always no, I never back to become. I never want to looking back when I choose to be angered or angry. I choose that all my life. When if you want me to choose that, so just sit yourself, just say, see it for yourself, okay? I truly love you, but like, I truly super love you, but I don't want to moving forward. Like I don't want to move. You can see it that I don't want to move closer. I just only want to give you a perfect love. That's why I want to love you with the Lord in the way of the Lord. So just stop pushing me away. You can push. Yeah, probably you cannot do that to me because I'm already chosen. It's only I wish I want to love you in that distant, like in the other way, like you have your prince and you're my princess. I want to become your slave only. I'm not choosing the other way, like I truly love you, but please understand. I want to always to Always, always. Just, please, can you give it to me? What I want to say? The meaningfully what I want to say is just only to give you love when you're far from me. That's what I'm thinking of. Kung paano ko ibibigay yung buong pusong totoong pagmamahal. Yung nasa malayo ka na. Dahil gusto, paano ba paraan para maibigay mo yung buong pusong totoong pagmamahal mo na palagi mong maibigay, di ba? Magagawa ba ng tao yon, di ba? Hindi. Oh, tas anong iniisip mo? Hindi ko naman din na-judge. Ayaw kitang i-judge kasi sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Kahit pa yung iba, ayaw ko rin. Ayaw ko makasakit ng damdamin ng tao. Kahit na isang beses man lang sa buhay ko. Yun yung pinangarap ko sa buhay. At napaka-stricto ko dun. Pero, tao lang tayo nagkakamali. Kaya ngayon, tatanggapin ko na magkakamali ako ngayon. Pero, kailangan mong maunawaan kasi, no need na. Hindi mo na ako kailangang i-push away. Alam mo, ang pinangarap ko sa buhay, ang pinili ko, maging broken. Parang ganun. Kasi hindi ko pinili na isipin na maging akin ka balang araw. Ang pinili ko, ano ba yun? Para akong mag-English. Consequences na yung para kang broken na yung pakiramdam mo, yun yung pinili ko. Hindi ko pinili na maging akin ka. 0% in that way. I want to do the way in the Lord. Just to know, I'm always crying because I truly love you. Not because of you that you hurt me like, what? Dito talaga dadaan yung totoong nagmamahal. Palaging iiyak, palaging masasaktan kasi, siyempre, totoo kang nagmahal, palagi mo siyang maisip kasi, gusto ko lang kasing masabi sa'yo, mapaliwanag kung paano ako magmahal. Ayaw ko nang isipin na, ganyan, masyado ka namang, masyado ka namang ganyan eh. Huwag ka nang mag-isip ng kakaiba. Alam mo kasi, iba ako sa lahat. I'm just like a book full of mysterious but it's cover all the parts when it talks about love, you know. Yeah. Walang taong makakaabot sa naisip ko kasi maabot mo lang yun kung totoo mong mahal ang Panginoon. Kung totoo mo siyang uunahin sa buhay mo, maiintindihan mo ako pag nagawa mo yun. Hindi ko din na-judge na mahina ka or hindi ka matatag. Ang sinasabi ko lang ay ito lang ay isang paliwanag ko kung paano ako magmahal. Wala akong ibang ibig sabihin ito, pero kung natamaan ka, hindi ko yun kagustuhan. Kaya wag kang mag-isip na basta mahal na mahal kita. Sobrang mahal na mahal. Like super love na love. Kaya wag ka na mag-isip ng gaya ko ng iba na mag-moving forward, na magiging never, 0%. Hindi sumagi sa isip ko yung mga ganyan. Gusto ko lang maibigay ko yung totoong pagmamahal. At paano ba maibigay yan? Sa pamamagitan ng Panginoon. I love you in the way of the Lord. And, basta paliwanag mo sa kanila yon. Huwag ka na mag-isip ha.